Hey, this is Bill Duggan, Quarry Hills Plumbing and HVAC. We're at a job in Randolph, Mass, where we converted the entire house steam convectors to hydronic convectors by removing some plugs and piping the convectors with return piping. There's one right under that window. These are built recessed inside the wall. So they wanted to upgrade from oil. They already had an existing gas line. So we took out the old oil boiler, steam boiler, put in a Lochinvar NKC199 wall mounted, 95% efficient, gas fired hydronic boiler and combination water heater. I fixed up the gas a little bit for them. We ran all the supplies back. There's a cast iron piece of baseboard in the kitchen. We also converted to hydronic, tied everything in. This is the supply circulator. Here's the return. Changed out all the air vents to coin vents. This boiler also does the domestic hot water. Here's the mixing valve. Hot goes in, cold goes in, mixes to a safe temperature, which can always be adjusted later, higher or lower. Took the oil tank out as well. If you'd like to learn more about mass save heating loan projects and high efficiency gas, we also do oil boilers, heat pumps, Mitsubishi stuff, you name it. All things heating, cooling, and plumbing. Give us a call at 617-939-3140. Thank you.